Hello everyone, my name is Shamshad Ansari. I am from Bihar. Basically, I am a mechanical engineer and wanted to make my career into the IT field. So I joined Evision. Evision is one of a good training institute where you can get a training, job-oriented training, and get a job in a very short period of time. The environment of Evision is very good. The faculties member are very trained, and he provides you training which is need nowadays in a company, and he also provides notes. Evision also provides a mock and the grooming classes that definitely helps a person to enhance their soft skills, and it definitely helps a person to crack any interview. The structure of the course of Evision is very well manner, and if you will get trained from this institute, it will very it makes you to crack a job in a very easy manner. I also cracked an interview in MICROLAND and got a job over 3.2 lakhs per annum package. And yeah, and at last I would like to thank my all the Evision teams. Because of them I able to get a career in IT field. So thank you.